everyone, I'm Caitlin. I'm a really big fan of K-pop. This is my brother Iwan.
Hey.
We are going to be reacting to ToppDogg. I love ToppDogg. They have a music video out called Rainy Day. So yeah, we're going to watch it. T-O-double-P, T-O-double-G, ToppDogg. Okay, ToppDogg, here we go. Play. Crap, that's loud. Oh, I missed ToppDogg. Pijun and Hansel swap hair colours. Is he wearing a skirt? Or should we say?
It's really long shorts. Can you see this split?
Yeah, okay, oh, it's fine.
Frolicking around in a skirt.
Frolicking.
Got a kilt on.
Okay, what? Okay, okay, stop. Because he's got a trench coat on, long shorts, and trousers underneath the shorts.
It doesn't look like he's wearing like a school dress. It's clearly wearing a school
really
dress.
Should not be looking at their fashion, but I can't. Okay, let's listen to the song now.
Look at the environment.
It's like they've all gone, let's go for less dark hair colour and not tell Hansel with bright pink flipping hair. Like, where's Hansel? Oh, there he is. Oh my god, Naktar. Shut the front door! I'm sorry. Are you kidding me? He used to have an afro! Oh, I'm sorry, I had to. I'm sorry. Oh my god!
No. Visual.
Nothing wrong with you, they're all visuals. So you'd fit in with this group, you would?
What?
You'd fit in with this group.
Right.
Okay, let's start go.
Wasn't very nice.
I know, I'm sorry. Oh, I like this. This is different from the other. I'd love to know what they're singing about. Naktar. Naktar.
Nectar. NASCAR.
I want to say it like that, you want?
Which thing was in charge of finding the location? There's like a guy drive around and look at alleys.
It works. Tom is like. I don't even know how to describe it. I don't know what happened to Tom, but overnight he just went manly.
Boom.
Flippin' love that. I'm sorry. Done. ToppDogg have.
I liked it.
Oh, ToppDogg.
I listened to that again.
I've missed ToppDogg. Sorry. Just Tom is like literally just playing with my mind at the moment. I cannot believe. You know when I showed you the beat? There was a guy with the afro. Like really big hair up here. That was Tom, and I don't know what the hairstylist deserves a reward for that. Oh.
Just hacking it off with an axe.
Well, anyway, that was ToppDogg. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Rainy Day.
It's pretty good.
Whoop whoop. Loved it. Anyway, we just did ToppDogg, so hope you enjoyed it. B2B's next. I'm your man. I think that's what we say. Anyway, thank you guys.